Hi everyone, welcome to my IT channel. In this video, we are going to explore Samsung NVMe SSD and an ORICO M2 enclosure. But before unboxing, let's take a quick look at their official spec online and later compare them with the real-world performance. Let's go! Alright, now it's the time to check the specification of our components on their websites. As you can see, this is ORICO website, and this is the enclosure we choose to buy. The model is PW M2, and as you can see, it lists the transfer rate as 10 gigabits per second, and it supports up to 8 terabytes. It supports hard drives, as you can see. It comes with a Type-C data cable. You can see it states that the read and write speed is 1000 megabits per second. And as you can see, it comes in 4 different colors. And it's explained the internal components and specification. And there are 4 different models. As you can see, the specifications are listed here. The one I picked is the one I'm showing you right now. And as you can see, it comes with a 2-in-1 Type-C cable. Alright, those were the specifications from the ORICO website. Now let's move on to the Samsung hard drive. Let's look at the spec of our Samsung SSD and open the Samsung website. As you can see, it's the 918 SSD. As you can see, has the read and write speeds listed for us. Read speed is about 3500 and write speed is 3000. Then I scroll down and here it shows the build technology which allows it to dissipate more heat, and this results in longer lifespan for our SSD. And in this part, as you can see, it shows the various available capacities in the market and the speeds we can get from it. Get started with unboxing our enclosure and our SSD. First, we'll take out of the SSD. As you can see, the model is exactly the SSD 918 NVMe. Now, I'm using a cutter. I'm going to remove the sticker so I can open the box. After opening this box, we see the SSD placed in a plastic case which is quite solid. Now we take out the SSD. As you can see, the newer generation NVMe drives are really small, even about the size of a tiny flash drive. Now let's move on to our enclosure, which is from the brand ORICO. Using our cutter, we begin to open it. Let me open it. Alright, now that I've opened it. As you can see, it has a metal casing. As stated on the website, the material is metal. And it's a nice black metal. It comes with a USB cable and 2 small plastic screws to secure the SSD. I also opened this plastic part to see what's inside. There is a black heatsink and, as mentioned on the website, a thermal fin to transfer heat. These are the two plastic support bases I mentioned earlier. Alright, now as you can see, here I'm showing you the USB cable. One end is USB Type-C version 3.2 and the other end Type-A, which as you can see is a Type-A that connects to another Type-C. So you can use it both as Type-C and Type-A. I slide open the bottom of this plastic case to release it and open the enclosure. Now that is open, I need to carefully align the SSD direction exactly with the slot inside the enclosure. I insert the SSD as you can see. Now I'll use one of these plastic holder at the base to secure the SSD. You see it's provided here for us. We only need one for now, and we can use it as you can see. This plastic case, I position it exactly. It might be a bit hard to fit due to its elastic shape, but we can insert it. Now you see, the SSD no longer moves. Now the next step is to open the thermal fin, which has a sticker like double-sided tape. But these are special thermal adhesive for areas with a high heat. These are heat conductive adhesives. You stick one side to the SSD like this. Now we should making sure it's properly stuck to the SSD. Now I peel the top sticker from this side, as you can see. And now the heatsink. I'll attach it on the top of the sticker to transfer heat. And you can see it's firmly fixed and doesn't move. I'm shaking it now, and as you can see, it's completely fixed. Now that the cover is on, this bottom plastic piece needs to snap into place so everything is firmly locked and doesn't move. As you can see, I connect the USB Type-C cable and now our device is ready to be connected to a system and go through the initialize setup. Now it's the most amazing part of this video. I want to have a real test with my PC. Okay, I will connect my new SSD to my PC. After connecting to it, I should go to computer management and then go to disk management. As you can see, here I have a new disk. I should initialize it for my first use. Then I should make a partition for it. Congratulations, we have a new partition now. I will start with an ISO file to copy to the new partition. you could see the speed of writing. It's wonderful. Yes, wonderful. Now we can copy a file from it. It's wonderful too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. See you next time.